Are you a video game developer and wondering if you should incorporate? Well, here's a video for you. Generally, for all businesses, the sweet spot to incorporate is when you're making more than you need, so that you can shelter the excess in a corp at a much lower tax rate. Now, tax rates vary by provinces, but for example, in BC, highest personal tax rate is 53.5%, and for corporations, it's 11%. So that's 42.5% tax deferrals until you pay yourself. Plus, of course, your business can deduct business-related expenses from your income, which lowers your income and lowers your tax bill. Now, for video game developers in Canada specifically, there is an extra incentive called the Interactive Digital Media Tax Credit. This tax credit varies from province to province and is very generous, ranging from 17.5% to 44% of eligible expenses. Now, before you go ahead and incorporate yourself, you want to make sure that you are not flagged as a personal service business. I'll put a link to the video for more information about this, but basically, a personal service business is like an incorporated employee. Your business is serving only one customer. This setup is frowned upon, and CRA can see right through it. You are actually an employee and just incorporated for the tax benefits. So I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe if you like the content. Cheers.